React and ES6 work together seamlessly, as React's component-based architecture benefits from the new syntactic features and improvements introduced in ES6. When working with React, it's common to use many of ES6's features to make your code cleaner, more readable, and efficient. Below are some common ways ES6 is used in React development. 1. Arrow functions. In React, arrow functions are often used to write concise function expressions, especially for event handlers and inline functions. //ES6 arrow function. Const button equals, onClick, text, equals. Button onClick equals onClick text /button. / used in components. Const handle click equals console.log, button clicked. Button onClick equals handle click text equals click me /. 2. Classes. React introduced class-based components early on, and ES6 class syntax fits well with that. Class components are used for stateful logic and lifecycle methods, although React hooks have largely replaced the need for classes in modern React development. / class component in React using ES6 classes. Class myComponent extends React.component. Constructor, props. Super, props. This .state equals. Count, 0. Handle click equals. This .set state, count, this .state .count +1. Render. Return. Div. P count, this .state .count /p. Button onClick equals this .handle click increment /button. /div. 3. Destructuring. Destructuring is heavily used in React to easily extract values from props, state, or objects. / destructuring props. Const greeting equals, name, age, equals. P hello, my name is name and I am age years old /p. / destructuring state. Class myComponent extends React.component. Constructor, props. Super, props. This .state equals. Name, John. Age, 30. Render. Const name, age equals this .state. Return greeting name equals name age equals age /. 4. Template literals. Template literals allow you to embed expressions and multiline strings directly into your JSX. Const name equals John. Const greeting equals hello, $name. Welcome to React. Return h1 greeting /h1. 5. Default parameters. Default parameters are useful when building components that accept props and allow you to set default values for certain props. Const welcome message equals, name equals guest, equals. h1 hello, name, /h1. / usage. Welcome message / hello, guest. Welcome message name equals Alice / hello, Alice. 6. Spread and rest operators. The spread and rest operators are widely used in React for manipulating props, state, and arrays. Spread operator for props. When passing props to a component, the spread operator is useful for passing all properties of an object at once. Const person equals name, John, age, 30. / spread props. Greeting, person / rest operator for props. In components, you can use the rest operator to capture additional props. Const myComponent equals, title, other props, equals. Div, other props. h1 title /h1. /div. / usage. My component title equals hello, class name equals header, data ID equals 123/7 modules. ES6 modules allow for easier importing and exporting of components and utilities in a React project. Exporting a component //mycomponent.js. Export const myComponent equals div component content /div. Importing a component. Import myComponent from ./myComponent. Const app equals div. myComponent /div. 8 promises and async /await. ES6 promises and async /await syntax are frequently used in React for handling asynchronous operations, such as fetching data from an API. Class data fetcher extends React.component. State equals data, null. Loading, true. Async component did mount. Const response equals await fetch, https://api.example.com/data. Const data equals await response.json. This dot set state, data, loading, false. Render. Const data, loading equals this dot state. If, loading. Return p loading, /p. Return p data, json.stringify, data, /p. 9 Enhanced object literals. Object literals can be used to simplify the creation of objects in React, such as when managing state. Const name equals Alice. Const age equals 25. / enhanced object literal. Const person equals name, age. Console.log, person, / name, Alice, age, 25. 10 Map and set. Map and set introduced in ES6 are sometimes used for managing collections of data in React components. Class myComponent extends React.component. Constructor, props. Super, props. This dot state equals items, new set, 1, 2, 3. Render. Return. All. This dot state dot items dot map, item equals li key equals item /li. /all. Conclusion. ES6 features such as arrow functions, destructuring, classes, promises, and modules help simplify and modernize React code. These features enable developers to write more concise, readable, and maintainable applications, which is why ES6, and beyond, is considered a standard for modern React development. React and ES6 together promote better coding practices and provide a powerful, flexible framework for building sophisticated applications.